Hi everyone, just a little snapshot video, a quick one. Since the last time I looked at this, I realized that the wheels, the sheave wheels, the spectra rope will go on the inside, which meant that if I had these big heads on in the middle, they would be in the way for the rope. So that's why I have countersunk these holes in the middle, and I found these really nice little flathead bolts. So they're ultra thin A4 marine grade flathead bolts, and all I need to do now is literally just get some plastic spacers and stainless steel spacers for these as well. So I have another 3mm to play with. These are 2.8 millimeters, and I did a recess of 6mm, so I should have a little bit left. As you can see, but there's a little bit of space left there for a plastic spacer and a normal spacer, just to separate the stainless steel from the aluminium. So yeah, onwards and upwards. So just a quick comparison, hex bolt sticking up versus the countersunk one. So you can see the big difference. So I'm glad I caught this now and I didn't catch it further down the line.